Hey everybody, Mark Dannenberg here, CEO and founder of Options Moneymaker. Michael Kastner, as always, is with me. Michael hosts our live trading room every day. Between Michael and I, we help clients in our live trading room learn how to navigate the markets, navigate some of the chaos that's been going on in the markets lately. And Michael, I know I've always told you that you shouldn't read the news, but you like to read news headlines anyway. It's kind of become entertaining for us lately because while we're in the midst of helping our clients in the live trading room make money, you're seeing these headlines come across your desk, across your computer, that I would think it gives you pause and makes you wonder what's really going on in the world. Because some of these people that write these headlines are pretty creative about how they describe the fear that's going on out there. So why don't you share some of them with us?
Well, it is, Mark. It's very interesting, and I look at it after the market's over with because I don't want to be caught up in all this foolishness. But one that really caught my eye, and it's like you said, the wording, it's what's on CNBC. It says world economy trapped in a death spiral. The global economy seems trapped in a death spiral that could lead to further weakness in oil prices, recession, and serious equity bear market. Death spiral? I mean, that's almost like, like the word we used a couple of weeks ago, contagion. That's a disease.
Well, isn't that what happens? Isn't that the follow-up to Contagion?
I guess so, and there's another guy that was on CNBC that everybody knows very well. The headline, Beware of the Falling Knife. What?
What does that
His,
mean?
I don't know. His plan, it said plan for stocks he'll be watching next week, even as the group is stuck in the claws of vicious bear. Watch out for the falling knife.
Hmm.
Oh my, I mean, it makes me want to not go out of the house. I don't want to hit in the head by the knife or a death spiral. You know, think about that now. I mean, that's just wow. That's all I can say is wow.
So that's what traders and investors are seeing, reading, hearing about every day, and it makes you wonder how they can actually get out of bed in the morning and go take on their day when that type of news is out there and those types of headlines are out there. So our live trading room, we have um, people who literally look over our shoulder as we trade. Now, Michael and I trade a set of very, very specific signals that tell us with some great degree of accuracy whether we should be going long or going short. And I'm not talking about in the big picture, folks. Frankly, I don't really care which direction we trend in the market. I don't really care that Friday was another one of those bloodbaths, as media would describe it, and we had an enormous sell-off. We actually made money on Friday. We took profits on Friday once again, and we locked in profits again for Monday. So we took profits of just over $1,800 on Friday. And we locked in profits for Monday of somewhere probably north of $3,000. It kind of depends on where the market opens on Monday. So in the midst of all that chaos, in the midst of all that doom and gloom, the contagious death spiral, knives falling out of the air,
Uh,
that Michael's reading about, we're helping clients make money. And we get comments from clients almost every single day in the live trading room about their experience. They've been in the trading room for 3 days and they've made $2,000 or $3,000. They've been in the trading room for 1 week, or this is their first week in the trading room. They made $7,800. Or their experience is that they've not really seen anything that gives them this level of comfort and peace of mind in being able to trade in this type of market and frankly navigate the chaos that exists in the market. So, Michael, I don't know if you were aware of this, but there was another headline on CNBC
oh yeah.
yesterday. Yep. And here it is. There was a new trading program which ignores warnings about January's doomsday market and rakes in $61,884 in profits. And that's actually about our program, the Profit Accelerator program, where we have been helping clients learn how to navigate this market, ignore all of that ridiculous noise out there, and throughout each market day, figure out how to take advantage of the moves that are occurring and make money. So we actually profile a live account. And this is an account that Michael and I are trading in. It's not a hypothetical account. It's not a virtual account. It's live dollar account. We're trading in that account and we are placing trades, and every single trade is witnessed by everybody in our trading room. They can see whether or not the trade made money. They can see whether or not the trade lost money. If we have a problem with the trade, they can see how we manage or adjust the trade. And based on all of that, people can choose to follow along if they want to, but they're really learning how to do so. We've been doing so much of this in the trading room, and people weren't really knowledgeable enough yet in exactly what our rules were, exactly what our signals were, exactly how we defined our strategies. They were literally just observing what we were doing, and they were basically asking us if they could learn how to do that. And so we put a program together called the Profit Accelerator program. And starting Monday, we're going to be teaching clients how to do exactly what we do in the trading room and how to take profits out of the month of January when the entire market was kind of in a free fall. In January, just as a reminder, Dow was down 5.5%, the S&P 500 was down 5%, and the Nasdaq saw the worst first month of the year since 2010. So the dire headlines were real if your perception is fear and I don't know what to do. The profits for our clients were real if you have a thoughtful, patient, knowledgeable attitude about what to do, and you're diligent about applying those actions. So I thought it's funny, Michael, that you always talk about these doom and gloom headlines, and yet there was a headline out there that hopefully will give people some encouragement that there is a way that they can overcome that.
Oh yeah, and and Mark, Friday was so exciting. I mean, we, of course, you had stepped away just for the day, and I had the pleasure of running a live trading room, actually making trades, and I think we made 6 or 7 trades, and the room was just going nuts because everybody was so excited because we were making money as the market was just actually selling off in just big gaps, and that was fun. I mean, a lot of fun. I know a lot of people suffered over that because they don't have control. Somebody else is controlling their investments. But wow, how exciting it was on Friday! It was a great day. Great day.
You know, Michael, there are different degrees of emotion that are involved in trading. There's the fear and anxiety, which is usually because the trader or investor sees what's happening in the market and doesn't know what to do about it. Then there's a level where they're just kind of neutral. They're not really worried about it because they see what's happening, but perhaps they have some level of confidence that whoever is managing their money, or if they're managing their money themselves, that they're going to be okay. They have probably a more healthy attitude than the fear and anxiety person, and that is, you know, that at some point the markets are going to cycle back higher. They always do. When they cycle lower, it's always at some point followed by a cycle higher. That's just what these markets do. But then there's the third category of emotion-based trading, and that's where the majority of our traders in the live trading room are right now. And that is, not only is it that they are absent from fear and anxiety, but they're having a tremendous amount of fun because they're making money. And
Yes.
that's where we would love to, at Options Moneymaker, help more traders get to. We'd like to help them shed the fear and anxiety and kind of neutralize it and feel confident with what they're doing. But I would love to see people take a step beyond that and get to a point where they feel so confident with what they're doing. They're having fun doing it. They're doing it with a community of traders who are like-minded, who are also enjoying it. And Michael, you've seen as much as I have the comments back and forth in the room where people will share a comment with us that's fully in support of another trader who has just shared some great win that they had in the room. So there's a whole community of traders that we've created, and those people are winning, having fun. I'm kind of sorry I was absent on Friday. I had some personal business to take care of. You did a great job of guiding the room to some incredible success, locked in some great profits that we're going to take on Monday, and you helped a lot of people make money on Friday. It has to be a good feeling.
It was great. Wonderful feeling.
All right, well, if what we're talking about today, folks, is of interest to you, if it sounds like something you might like to learn more about, check us out at optionsmoneymaker.com/accelerator. The Profit Accelerator program. It's being offered for the first time starting Monday, February 8th, and it will be a 4 session webinar over 4 days. And it's designed to teach people specifically what Michael and I do in the live trading room, how it is that in the midst of market chaos, we're able to um, turn the types of profits that we did in January and turn those types of profits on a consistent basis. And it's exactly why CNBC picked up an article and said, listen, here's somebody who is not doom and gloom. Here is an experience that traders and investors may want to pay attention to because it is completely in contradiction to what the rest of the market seems to be experiencing. So check us out, optionsmoneymaker.com/accelerator. Michael, I'm looking forward to next week, the Profit Accelerator program. We're going to be teaching that together, and we're going to try to help some people make money.
Sounds great, Mark. Can't wait. Look forward to it.
All right. You guys have a good rest of your day, and we will be back on Monday.